One of my favorite things to do while grocery shopping is to spend some time checking out the produce department. I look at what's on sale, many times I'll buy it, and bring it back here to the test kitchen and figure out a new way to use it. So watch what we did with a bunch of cucumbers that I picked up. We cut them into thin slices. Sure, we can do this with a knife, but we found doing this with a mandolin or in a food processor is so much faster. We do the same thing with a few onions, and then everything goes into a large bowl. Now, to give this its big flavor, after bringing some vinegar, sugar, garlic, oil, water, and a bit of salt to a boil, we pour this over the cukes and toss in some pepper and fresh dill. Then, all we have to do is pop this in the fridge for a couple hours and let the flavors marry. And what's so great about this is there's no long cooking or canning required. This is one of those recipes that every mom loves since it's easy to make and it's a great way to get the whole family eating more veggies. If you want the recipe for what we call every mama's favorite cucumber salad, it's online now and it goes with just about anything. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where every day we're looking for more ways to make mom happy. Because when mom's happy, everyone's going to be saying, "Ooh, it's so good."